Ready, start. On merits, it is stated that one of the respondents slash prisoners had filed a writ petition within bracket criminal number 135 of 2022, inter alia, praying to consider his remission application, full stop. This court, by its order dated 13/5/2022, held that the policy which will be applicable for deciding the remission application is the one which was in vogue at the time of conviction, that is premature release of convicts policy of 1992, full stop. Further, this court held that for the purposes of section 432 of the CRPC, the double inverted comma appropriate government double inverted comma clause for considering the remission application is the state in which the offence was committed and not the state in which the trial was conducted, and therefore directed the state of Gujarat to consider the application of the prisoner within a period of 2 months, full stop. Accordingly, the state of Gujarat considered the application of the prisoners as per section 432 read with section 435 of the CRPC along with the premature release of convicts policy of 1992, full stop. That, the state government, via its circular dated 9/7/1992, had issued a policy for early release of prisoners who have completed 14 years of imprisonment and who were imposed punishment of life imprisonment, full stop. As per the aforesaid policy of 1992, the Inspector General of Jail is mandated to obtain the opinion of the district police officer, district magistrate, jail superintendent and advisory board committee for early release of a convict, full stop. Thereafter, the Inspector General of Jail is mandated to give his opinion with the copy of the nominal roll and copy of the judgment and the recommendation of the government, full stop. Further, the jail advisory board at the time of consideration of the premature release application shall be guided by the policy of 1992, full stop. A copy of the policy has been annexed as Annexure R-2, full stop. It is further submitted that the state government considered the case of all the 11 convicts as per the policy of 1992, full stop. Further, the remission in these cases was not granted under the circular governing grant of remission to prisoners as part of celebration, full stop. The state government in fact directed the Additional Director General of Prisons, Ahmedabad, to send the necessary proposal of remission as per the direction of this court before 31/5/2022, while later dated 25/5/2022, full stop. 10 proposals were received on 9/6/2022 and 1 proposal was received on 17/6/2022, full stop. The applications of the accused were considered according to the remission policy dated 9/7/1992 in accordance with the directions issued by this court, full stop. As laid down in the above mentioned policy, the department received the opinions of the concerned district police officer, district magistrate and chairman of jail advisory board committee, full stop. It is further stated that the state government has considered the opinions of the Inspector General of Prisons, Gujarat State, jail superintendent, jail advisory committee, district magistrate, police superintendent, CBI, special crime branch, Mumbai and sessions court, Mumbai, full stop. Therefore, the opinions of 7 authorities were considered, full stop. Further, having regard to the provisions of section 435 of the CRPC, sanction of the government of India was also necessary, full stop.